Oh, they're getting thinner and thinner.
I never get thinner and thinner.
No, not you, the steps.
Wouldn't take much for me to up and run to another life somewhere in the sun.
Looks like the love bugs are starting early out here. They seem to come out during the day and they're attracted to things that are white. Of course, I'm wearing a white shirt, so that's not too smart. But anyway, we're still at Hunting Island Campground. We are going to take our e-bikes on the bike trails. They've got miles of bike trails, and I don't know if it's for mountain bikes or walking or what. So we're going to find out, and hopefully we'll make it to the Lighthouse. We'll find out. All right, we're at the Magnolia Forest Trail, one of the walking trails, hiking trails, and we're hoping biking trails. So we're going to find out pretty quick. That's not too bad. Just don't pedal. Because that's where I get into trouble. I'll pedal and then it takes off. So I'm just using the throttle. I think I'll keep my feet down. Jeez. Oh. All right. All right, don't pedal. All right. Woo! So much for mountain biking. All right, go slow. It's easier than walking, I guess. Say that. All right, just check Google Maps, and we are on the Lighthouse Trail. So we're going to go back this road. When we come back, it'll be much easier. Woo! All right, here we go. On the Lighthouse. Cool. Oh. Okay, made it to the Lighthouse. I don't think I'll be going on the trail that's not meant for biking, or that doesn't say bike. So, I don't know. Oh, sure. Okay, we made it to the Lighthouse finally. Six-person limit. Sure. 1873. Cool.
Okay, good. I hope they do better.
All right. Here we go, all the way to the top. You can't come down. Oh, wow.
You guys are great.
We're going to see if we can do it. All right, Peyton, we're the first down to the end. Third. You can make it. Come on. I just gotta keep my glasses on my shirt. We're 4 out of 9, so you're all right. You're doing good. This is good for the heart.
I can't even look at the steps anymore.
They're getting thinner and thinner.
I never get thinner and thinner.
No, not you, the steps. Come on. That's just coming. Hey, you're almost there. You're 6. You got 3 more, 4 more. There's 10 actually. Right? Wait till you get outside. You can do it. Woohoo! All right, we're on 3. Almost there. It is getting narrow.
One.
I love it.
I am getting a little dizzy.
Well, just cool. Oh wow.
What's gonna happen if I can't walk outside?
You'll make it.
Oh, the air feels so good.
Oh, nice view so far.
Let me just, oh my God.
There we go. You can do it. I'll do it when we come back. Oh, you made it. This is it.
What?
We made it. Oh, I gotta put my glasses on.
There's not a ramp on the side now.
You can make it. Come on.
Oh my golly. Where's my rail?
You're right here.
You need, like, seriously, Shawn.
Come on out.
Oh my God. Okay, I gotta really like.
This is amazing. Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if I can do it.
This is pretty amazing. It feels awesome up here. Oh, it feels good. Hey, there you are.
No, I've welcomed everybody else out.
Leanne, the breeze is awesome. Just make your way around.
I was the only one bringing it to
Go on around that way. Come on. Let's do it. Let's go first. You're not going to fall. Keep going. You can do it.
I know it's crazy, but I mean...
Just walk around it. You're not going to fall, I promise. It's a good breeze on the other side. Go ahead.
God,
Just walk. Just go around. You're good.
I looked out the window.
Just keep going. Keep going. Come on. You got to do it. Just walk. Oh, man. Well, let's walk around the other side. How about that?
Oh yeah, I'm
You all right?
gonna try to get around one. I know.
You going that way? All right. This is too funny. See, it's kind of funny. The phobia is lighthouses. It's funny. We've been on the Empire State Building. No problem. Something about a lighthouse.
Stop.
No, keep going.
Oh my golly. Is it not like balance or something once I get up here? I don't know.
Oh, it is swaying a little bit.
Shawn, stop it.
It's not. It's solid.
Oh my god.
You can see way off in the distance is our campground. Well, the beach for the campsites. You can't ride your bikes on the beach down here, unfortunately. Looks like it's high tide. Keep going around. You'll like the breeze.
I do that.
Yeah, we don't want to get sick up here. There's no way you could fall off.
It is a pretty beach.
Yeah, we'll come back and look at the view in a second. I just want to see her go all the way around. You hold on to me. If you fall, you're going to go all the way down. It's like the next thing we're going to do. Alright. You made it. Good job. Well, you want some ice cream? Okay.
That's what they tell you.
That wasn't too bad.
What?
Those houses out of the water.
Yeah.
That's it.
I better go back. We're gonna be
She
ready
did it
to go.
twice. Did she have to pay more?
Bless you guys. Thank you.
Later, man. Take care.
You can just bring your Eno down here. Hang out. This is cute. Let me get a picture of the sign. Ice cream. You made it. Is that what you want? Ice cream was the incentive. We got her over the top. Got her to the top. She actually made it all the way around and back down.
Took me a long time.
So it's well worth it. Got the lighthouse behind you. Fun time. What do you say we try this bridge? Just go slow. I think it is. I think it's a little light. Well, it may. All right, let's go. Let's go that way. This is from 2016, Hurricane Michael, I believe. We're down here at the end of Hunting Island, and the tide, I believe, is kind of going out a little bit, but it is kind of amazing. Some of this damage was from Hurricane Michael, I think 2016. This recent stuff was from Dorian, but most of this damage and erosion was from Hurricane Michael. We won't be stuck out here at high tide.
Don't you think all that is like,
Was it did I say Matthew or Michael? I don't know. Yeah, the green is from recent.
yeah, the other way.
Yeah, let's go back. All right, this is much better coming back. No bike lane, but you know what? It's gonna work. I know there's cars coming. We'll just have to stay right. 20 miles an hour, not bad. How do you feel?
My rear end hurts.
47.2 miles. We made it. That was a long ride, a lot longer than I thought. All right, let's go in. The trails, there was only one trail that was really a trail. The rest of them were just walking. So anyway, unless you really have good suspension, those trails aren't the right ones. There's a lagoon trail that takes you on. It was nice and smooth. And then the road was nice. That's true. All right, I hear a yappy dog, and that's not ours, but we're gonna go in and see ours.